How to disable new followers notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable new followers notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First then open SoundCloud, and here you will find library in the bottom corner. Click on it and then just click here in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find this one, notifications. Then just now all you need to do, here you will find that new follower. If you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just click on it, and as you see here, new follower have been disabled. That's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.